Hello all, good morning everyone. Today basically focusing on ZigBee penetration testing. We will see how to basically perform penetration test on ZigBee devices, and we will also learn how to perform a replay attack. So I am testing the latest Philips Hue white color bulb. You can see this is a ZigBee device, and here if you see, this is basically my setup. There is basically a hub called Philips Hue. This is basically the hub, and this hub is connected to this router via Ethernet. So hub to router, the connection is Wi-Fi, and hub to this particular bulb ZigBee. I mean, this is basically connected via ZigBee. So what we need to do, we need to control this device. First we will check the functionality. As usual, we know whenever we want to perform penetration test on any of the low level device or any kind of IoT devices, we need to first understand the architecture. Without understanding architecture, you will not able to perform a penetration test. You are not able to do that, by the way. It's very simple, fundamental. Architecture understanding is very, very important. So here this part is connected to my mobile application. So I am just going to this full Philips Hue. Here you can see clearly, and now when I am going to press it, you can see this light is on and the light is off accordingly. It means I am basically sending and receiving the packet continuously like this, right? So this is basically the complete architecture of the connection, whatever just now we made it here, right? Again you can see it is, now you can see all lights are on and you can see this is off. I hope you got an idea about this architecture. So generally imagine that when you are at home and you are using all ZigBee devices, even I can connect 100 bulbs to this particular hub, right? And I can easily control seamlessly directly with this particular mobile application. So what if attacker basically from outside, he able to intercept the traffic and going to replay it. It means in this case he can control your bulb and he can basically on and off, he can do continuously. That's all for this section. And if you see the last part of this section, and rest basically I will demonstrate in my live training. So you can simply see this is basically another device which will help for replay attack. So let me open this one. It looks like this. This is called Open Sniffer. So Open Sniffer basically used for replay attack. So I will capture the packet and I will replay it and I will test it like this particular bulb is vulnerable for replay attack or not. I will test live. If it is vulnerable, immediately today only I'll write a report and send to that particular vendor, whoever created this particular bug, or we can say the vendor. That's all for this particular video. I hope you enjoy the video and have a great day. Thank you.